Welcome back to Colorado Family Travels. So today we are going to be opening up 4 more of the orbs and another collector's case. So these are brand new to the Five Surprise Worlds. So we're hoping this time we have a different collector's case, but you know, who knows? We don't have a different collector's case, so we already have all of these, so they're just gonna be duplicates again. So that's done with this. Now let's move on to the globes. Alright, now we have the next layer. And this layer came off a whole lot easier than the other one. Alrighty, now we pop this open, and it opens up like an orange. Alright, in compartment number 1, we have another duplicate with Belle. And we have another duplicate with Beast. So, Beauty and Beast. And then we have another duplicate with Captain Marvel. Then we have another duplicate with Hawkeye's bow and arrow. And then finally, we have a new one with Baby Anna. Alrighty, so that is it for this orb. Alrighty, now we move on to our second orb. So, in our first slice, we have Minnie. I don't think we have this one. Alrighty, next up is the Death Star. We do not have this one. And then next one. Oh, we have a little like Polaroid camera. Oh, and then we have the Disney Princess bag. So this does open, and yeah, this is really cute. Alrighty, and finally we have another duplicate with Mickey's Kitchen.
Okay, so we had 2 more mini brands, and these are the last 2 we're getting as of today. We don't know about the future. Okay, in the first one we have, oh, this is a new one. We have Spider-Man's mask. Oh, and we have Spider-Man. So we have Spider-Man's mask, and then we have Spider-Man. And then in the next one, we have a third Minnie Mouse, not Mickey Mouse. And then another of the princess bags. And this is our last one. And we got another Jessie. So this is our last orb. And so let's see what we get. So in the first one, we have, ooh, this is a new one, Buzz Lightyear. And then in this one, we have another Bo Peep. And we have another duplicate of Thor's hammer. Ooh, this is a new one. We got a golden stormtrooper. And in our last one, we have, if it wants to open, we got Captain America's shield. And then that was the whole collection. And now for us, it's back to the rat race.